A powerful solution to the climate crisis lies along our very shores, our coastal ecosystems. In St. Bernard, the star of these ecosystems is the mangrove forest.
Based sa record, we have 72.12 hectares mangrove areas. Makayon ko nga unique siya, kay naa siya diverse nga flora, mga plants and mga animals nga naa diha, like the Philippine duck.
Conserving and restoring mangrove ecosystems is an excellent nature-based solution for protecting coastlines. Unlike concrete seawalls, mangroves are living, breathing defenses against the rising tides. They grow, self-repair, and do it all at a fraction of the costs. Beyond protection, mangroves are climate champions. They absorb carbon from the atmosphere, helping keep our planet cool. Best of all, mangroves provide important habitat and help enhance biodiversity, which in turn supports healthy fisheries, an important source of food and livelihoods.
Ang kalamagitan ini paningkamot namo nga usa na matabangan namo ang kinaiyahan nato karon kanamong pananom sa mangrove aron sa ang mga mananagat ay managhan mang isda kay ana man mangitlog ng mga isda sa mangrove.
In St. Bernard, EDF is working with the local government to develop an integrated coastal resource management plan.
So ang atong challenge is dapat aduna kitay coordinated effort sa pagprotektar dili lamang ang mangroves kundi ang tanan nga coastal ecosystem. Apil na ani ang atong mga beach forest ug ang atong mga riverbanks.
Investing in ecosystem-based adaptation or EBA approaches like mangrove protection and restoration is not just about protecting the planet. It is about securing our communities, our future, and our lives.